Hi, this is my Lego thing, and I built it. My mom found this thing on Instagram, and I wanted to see if I could build it. So I built two of them, one for food and one for drinks. Now first, you need to get some money. Put it on the slide up here. Then you see it in the glass. And then you would pull this lever.
Whoa, baby.
And then I got some cookies. They're in a little package of 2.
Cute.
So I got my cookies. Now you can get another money. Put them in here. You can choose it. These are the choices. We got cookies, no bake cookies with frosting in them, and a chocolate ball. This one, orange juice, milk, and soda. So first, let me put in my money. Give me one.
Hold on, let me see what Cora is doing first.
I put it in 2 on accident. So 1, 2. I got orange juice and milk. So this milk will go next to the cookies. Let's see what I would get. Start walking. Come out, food.
I think it's the candy bars that get stuck.
Well, I think we have no more room in here.
But sometimes that happens in a real vending machine, right? Sometimes the food gets stuck.
Well, we have the money out. It's okay. I can just fix it. So I can take off the top. Mom. There's. Whoa. Then gently take it off the bowl. It's fine. I have to fix it. So you got it all off. Now you just have to fix it. All you have to do. Gabby. Mom, give me water.
Water.
Yeah.
Say please. Please. Say please.
Please.
All right. Well, it looks cool, Cora.
You're welcome. Dun 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 dun. Please don't kill me.